How to prepare Moringa tea at home. Moringa tea is a nutritious and delicious beverage that is made from the leaves of the moringa tree. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular ingredient in many health foods and supplements. In this video, we will discuss how to prepare moringa tea at home and some of the health benefits of drinking this nutrient-rich beverage. Step 1. Gather ingredients and supplies. To prepare moringa tea at home, you will need the following ingredients and supplies. Dried moringa leaves, 2 teaspoons per cup of tea. Filtered water, teapot or saucepan, strainer or infuser. You can find dried moringa leaves at health food stores or online retailers. If you have access to fresh moringa leaves, you can also use those, but they will need to be dried before use. Step 2. Boil the water. Fill your teapot or saucepan with enough filtered water to make the desired amount of tea. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Step 3. Add moringa leaves. Once the water has come to a boil, add 2 teaspoons of dried moringa leaves per cup of tea to the pot or saucepan. Stir the leaves gently to ensure they are evenly distributed in the water. Step 4. Steep the tea. Reduce the heat to low and allow the moringa leaves to steep in the hot water for 5-10 minutes. The longer you steep the tea, the stronger the flavor and the more nutrients will be extracted from the leaves. Step 5. Strain and serve. After the tea has finished steeping, strain the moringa leaves from the liquid using a strainer or infuser. Pour the tea into a teacup or mug and serve hot. Optional. Add flavorings. If you prefer a sweeter or more flavorful tea, you can add honey, lemon, ginger, or other herbs and spices to the hot water before adding the moringa leaves. These additions will not only enhance the taste of the tea, but also provide additional health benefits. Here are some tips to help you prepare the perfect cup of moringa tea at home. Use high-quality moringa leaves. When selecting moringa leaves for your tea, it's important to choose high-quality organic leaves that are free from pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Look for dried moringa leaves that are green in color and have a fresh, herbaceous aroma. Use filtered water. For the best-tasting moringa tea, it's important to use high-quality filtered water. Tap water can contain impurities and chemicals that can affect the flavor of your tea. Steep for the right amount of time. To extract the maximum amount of nutrients and flavor from the moringa leaves, it's important to steep the tea for the right amount of time. Steep the tea for 5-10 minutes or longer if you prefer a stronger flavor. Use a tea infuser or strainer. To prevent bits of moringa leaves from floating in your tea, use a tea infuser or strainer to strain the leaves from the liquid after steeping. Add flavorings to taste. Moringa tea has a mild, slightly earthy flavor that pairs well with honey, lemon, ginger, or other herbs and spices. Experiment with different flavorings to find the combination that you enjoy the most. Drink Moringa tea in moderation. While moringa tea is generally considered safe for most people, it's important to drink it in moderation. Drinking too much moringa tea can cause digestive upset, headaches, and other side effects. Consult a healthcare professional. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding moringa tea to your diet. Moringa tea can interact with certain medications, so it's important to talk to your doctor if you're taking any prescription drugs. Health benefits of moringa tea. Moringa tea is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the top health benefits associated with drinking moringa tea. Boosts immune system. Moringa tea is high in vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system and protect against illnesses like the common cold and flu. Regulates blood sugar. Moringa tea has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial beverage for those with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Promotes heart health. Moringa tea is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which can help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Improves mood. Moringa tea contains compounds like tryptophan, which can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Lowers cholesterol. Studies have shown that Moringa tea may help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease.